It only takes one small step to go from a nerd to a stunner. Check out more doll ideas on our channel, Lalulu. Subscribe and enjoy doll life hacks. Follow the link in the description. Jessica is reading magazines instead of books. Hey, you back there! We are actually in the middle of class, you know. Hide your magazines, Jess! Fine, I'll do it! You won't see them ever again. But I have mini magazines to make my nails beautiful. Take nail art stickers. Cut the sheets. Print out a small magazine cover. Put in the stickers. Fasten them with a stapler and bend the magazine. With these nail magazines, I can fix my manicure right in class. And the next time the teacher disciplines me, I'll blame it on my nerdy classmate. I'm so bored! Time to fix my makeup! Where's my LOL doll? I need it to apply my makeup. Cut buns off an old LOL doll with ruined hair. Stick little makeup sponges into the holes. Trace an old dress on a flat makeup sponge. Cut out a skirt and hot glue the skirt to the dress. Color the top of the dress with silver nail polish. Put the dress onto the LOL doll. This doll is my loyal makeup assistant. I'll apply foundation with her skirt. I adore LOL dolls. They are so fun. But Miss Olivia is obviously not impressed by my toys. You have an F in chemistry, so your cute doll has to stay here. And Jessica, go to the lab to fix your grade. Felicity Bubble is the head of the lab. Oh no! I'll have to spend the whole day with this nerd in a white robe. Just shove me into a test tube instead. I don't need chemistry when I have beauty. Unless, I have an idea. Let's make a deal. I make you beautiful, and you help me with my assignments. Deal? Felicity's in. The first paragraph is done. Now, let's get to your makeover. My mermaid is coming to the rescue. Yay, dolls! Not quite, Felicity. This is more than just a doll. This is foundation. Hot glue a tube of BB cream to the legs of a broken doll. Wrap the legs in light clay. Make a cut along the tube. Cover the clay with sequined fabric. Make a tail fin out of glittery blue fabric and soft stuffing. Fasten the tail to the mermaid. Decorate it with seashell sequins. Glue a top on the doll using the same fabric. Decorate it with seashells too. Define the doll's lips. There's BB cream hiding in the doll's tail. And now the mermaid will improve Felicity's skin tone. It won't be so chemically pale anymore. Plus, we'll hide any pimples. Now that's way better. You look less like a nerd and more like a lady. But wait, there's more. Let's keep studying. Jessica is a fast learner. She's ready to practice. Just be careful. Let's add some shine. Ooh, the reaction started. I hope it won't blow up. Phew, it's okay. And here it is, my toy table. With highlighter on it. Coat a highlighter palette with acrylic primer. Draw cells on the cap. Color it with gold and white acrylic paint so it looks like a chessboard. Coat it with polish. Hot glue the highlighter palette onto a makeup brush with a cap as a tabletop. How pretty! Get ready, Felicity, we'll make you glow. First, your cheekbones. And then, your eyes. Great! You look way better! Time for a photo! Smile! No, don't smile like you usually do! Way better! Felicity, you are beautiful! And the table can stay at your lab for your favorite dolls! Both girls benefited from studying. Nerdy Felicity already made an LOL bottle with glitter inside. Cut a little LOL bottle so you can remove the cap. Fill the bottle with makeup pigment. Close it and coat the cap with nail polish. Paint a heart on the bottle with polish and sprinkle with glitter. Let's apply the pigment straight from the bottle. Felicity, you did such a good job! I'm proud of you! But our study session is over. Come on, leave your lab and let's go to my place. Let's continue our makeover. Hey, looks like you could use a workout and a straighter back. Come on, get started. Exercise has to follow you everywhere, even to your manicure. I have a nail file made out of a doll skateboard. Cut the part with the wheels off an old toy car using a heated utility knife. Hot glue the wheels to a nail file. While I was filing my nails with a skateboard, Felicity managed to do 3 squats. Great! Keep up the good work! There you go! Now your back looks way straighter. I have a gift for such an advanced athlete like you. Eyeliner. Cut a thin strip of foam paper. Make a spiral out of it. You need 2 pieces like this, and hot glue them to the sides of an eyeliner tube. Wrap the whole tube in foam paper. Make a cut along the cap so the tube opens. Color the mat with a silver marker. Wrap a ribbon around it. Fasten with hot glue. Also make a handle out of a ribbon. While you are doing your eye makeup with a yoga mat, I'll pick out clothes for you. I think this will be perfect for you. And this. And try this on too. The next day, Jessica has to take a test. But she remembers everything Felicity taught her, so she quickly writes down the right answers. And here's Felicity herself. Whoa! You look stunning! She really changed. Where did our lab mouse go? Felicity, you are a brilliant beauty student. And here's my grade on the test. It's an A+. Victory! I could never have done this without you. And I couldn't have done this without you. Thanks, Jess. Here's a little beauty present for you. Golf brushes. Oh, I mean makeup brushes. Cut wooden sticks. Shape the head of a gold club on the end of the stick with light clay. Color the clubs a metallic shade. Hot glue makeup brush tips to the other side. Cover a little cardboard pencil tube with faux leather. Attach pockets and details made out of a different color of faux leather. Attach toy car wheels to the case. Put in the brushes. Now your dolls can play golf, and you can do your makeup. This is so cute! Thanks! We are best friends forever! Did you like our doll makeup ideas? Then write in the comments which ones you'll copy at home. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new doll life hacks from Troom.